Hi, boys and girls. Have you ever seen your parents using different tools or nuts and bolts around the house? Well, today I have an activity using just that. Some nuts and bolts. What you need to do is hold the bolt in one hand and find the nut that matches. Then keep turning it until you can't anymore. I know it sounds easy, but it's actually pretty tricky trying to find the match. If you want to challenge yourself, use a timer. See if you can match all the nuts and bolts before the timer goes off.